Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Google Cloud Firewall rules for safe inbound traffic step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Google Cloud console. Navigate to the navigation menu found in the upper left corner of the screen. Scroll down and select VPC Network. From the drop-down, click on Firewall Rules. To create a new rule, click the Create Firewall Rule button at the top of the page. In the name field, enter a descriptive name for your firewall rule. Under Network, select the VPC network that you want this rule to apply to. In the Priority field, assign a priority value to the firewall rule. Lower values indicate higher priority. Set the direction of traffic to ingress to allow inbound traffic. In the Action on Match section, select Allow to permit traffic matching the rule. Under Targets, choose how the rule will apply, either to all instances in the network or specific instances. Next, find the Source Filter option and select the appropriate filter based on your needs. If you choose IP ranges, enter the CIDR notation for the IP addresses allowed to connect. In the Protocols and Ports section, select Specified Protocols and Ports. Enter the specific protocols and ports you want to allow for inbound traffic, like TCP, and port 80 for HTTP. Review all your settings to ensure they meet your security requirements. Once everything is set, click the Create button to activate the firewall rule. The new firewall rule will now be listed in your rules overview. To verify the rule is correctly implemented, test the inbound connection from the specified source. Make any necessary adjustments by selecting the rule and clicking Edit. Remember to regularly review your firewall rules to ensure ongoing security. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.